Last like what, 20 seconds?
Okay, so we're back. This is day 3, the finale. Anyway, we just gotta solder this little piece on. We're practically done. So I have added some solder here to these little contacts where we're gonna put the wire. You don't necessarily need these. Okay. So we're gonna solder. I don't know if you can see properly, but these 2 wires to this. So we're gonna solder this one up here and this one down there. I believe so. Let's get soldering. I'm just gonna bend this wire, Matt. Okay. So we've completed it. You should like and subscribe. You're